Dear students, today we are discussing the plastids, which is actually the pigmented organelle. Plastid is pigmented organelle. Pigmented organelle. So the organelle which provide the pigment or the color to any structure, this is known as pigmented organelle. And in case of plant, these are only present in plants. Only present in plants. These are not present in animals. Not present into the animal cells. They are only present into the plant cells. For definition, firstly, the organelle found in plants and animal cells necessary for the essential life process. For the essential life process, these organelle are present into the plant and alga, and there are the types. There are actually four types. First is the proplastid, second is the leucoplast, third is the chromoplast, and fourth is the chloroplast. Proplastids are actually those which are immature plastid. Immature plastid. Immature plastids. Leucoplasts are actually the structures which are non-pigmented. This is not pigmented actually. This is only present underground into the soil in the form of roots, and it only perform the function of storage of food. Storage of food. Storage function itself. Chromoplast it is actually the pigmented organelle which provide the color other than the green color. Other than green color. So the chloroplast is the plastid type which only provide green color. So the green color of plants is actually due to the presence of this chloroplast. So that is the introduction of the plastid. Types of plastid. Firstly, as I have said earlier, proplastid. These are the young, immature and developing plastid, which are not completely developed. And second is leucoplast. These are colorless plastid and act as a storage organelle only, and these are present into the roots, particularly present into the roots. Chromoplasts synthesize the colored pigments, as we know that there are the very different type of flowers are present, like yellow, white, purple, pink, blue, purple. So these all are due to the presence of these chromoplasts to synthesize the colored pigments found in the colored parts of the plants. So other than the green plants, these will be provided by this chromoplast. Last is a chloroplast. It is found in the green parts of the plants as a site of photosynthesis. Actually, the chlorophyll is the organic substance which perform the photosynthesis. So chloroplast, it contains the chlorophyll, and chlorophyll perform the photosynthesis. So these are actually the four kinds of the plastids. Structure of chloroplast is the discoid structure with the three parts enveloped, stroma and thalakite. Actually, this structure is discoid structure and it contains the envelope. This is the outer envelope. As I said earlier, if there is a true membrane of any organelle, it will be covered envelope. And the cytoplasm of this is known as stroma. And also there are present in the form of coins, the structures. These structures are actually known as grana, which are piled up coins, and a single coin membrane is known as thalakite. This is thalakite, and the full pile up stalk is known as grana. So the structure consists of envelope, stroma, and the thalakite. Envelope is smooth double membrane structure. Outer is permeable, but the inner membrane is semi-permeable. The outer membrane, this is smooth, inner is smooth, outer membrane is permeable, but the inner membrane is semi-permeable. So the only selective substance will be passed out from that. Stroma. Stroma is a colorless proteinaceous substance containing the DNA, RNA, ribosome, and enzyme. So stroma is the region where will be the presence of DNA, RNA, ribosomes, and enzymes. This region is known as stroma. Thylakoid. Thylakoid is actually in this form. This is a chlorophyll bearing double membrane structure. This is chlorophyll bearing base present in chlorophyll. And two types, smaller and larger. So there are the two types. Functions of chloroplast. The site of photosynthesis. Actually, the chloroplast consists of the chlorophyll, and the chlorophyll is responsible for the photosynthesis actually. So, for example, this is chloroplast. And I'm only drawing the single thylakoid. And this is a thylakoid. And thylakoid will contain the chlorophyll. As this chlorophyll will do the firstly the light dependent reaction. This is light reaction. First is light reaction. So light reaction from the sun, the light will be absorbed by the chlorophyll, and the reaction is known as light reaction. And during this reaction, the two things will be formed, ATP and NADH. So this reaction is light reaction, but in case of absence of light into this stroma, this ATP, this NADH along with the carbon dioxide, these three things are utilized to convert into the glucose, and this is known as dark reaction. And these are the two type of reactions which are collectively known as photosynthesis. So the first is the light dependent reaction, sunlight captured and transformed into the ATP GANA region, and the light independent reaction, carbon dioxide reduced to make the carbohydrate. It takes place into the stroma region, and this has been asked the MCQs. This MCQ has been asked, and the question was that the light independent reaction takes place into which region of the chloroplast, that is stroma, in the absence of light, and this is also known as light independent reaction and dark reaction. Grana and thylakoid. Look, as I have said earlier, this is grana and this is thylakoid. Thylakoid are piled up, and this complete piled up structure is known as grana. Single is grana, and plural are granum. So this single structure is thylakoid. Thylakoid. Single coin will be called thylakoid. So grana, the stock of smaller thylakoid are 25 to 50 thylakoids actually. Egg into the single granum, there will be 25 to the 50 thylakoid actually. And into the smaller thylakoid, the disc-like sacs, the pigmented present. So thylakoids are the disc-like sacs actually. And the larger thylakoids are the intergrana, connected grana, which are the colorless. For example, this is also a grana, and these are actually smaller thylakoid, and this structure is larger thylakoid, which are intergrana, and this is colorless. It do not contain any color. So that was all about the plastids, and particularly it contains the chloroplast, which was includes in our food senses. Thank you.